Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session I am going to explain about the foreign key in MySQL. So foreign key is an attribute which establishes the relationship between two tables. So foreign key is a field or collection of fields in a table that refers to the foreign key in another table. And so we create the foreign keys. So when we create the foreign keys, we are creating the relationship between two tables so that the data stays consistent and suppose for example, see that orders and customer table. The foreign key of the orders table refers to the primary key of the another table. So customer, for example, when we take the customer table, customer can place many orders and the order must be belongs to an existing customer. So the customer ID in orders is a foreign key and it refers to the customer ID in customer table. So we cannot add orders for the customer who does not exist. So every order must be linked to the existing customer. So here we have three customers, ID 1 and 2, 3. So it will refer only ID 1, 2, 3. So when we enter insert fourth value, so it does not exist in this customer table. So the foreign key refers only existing values. Say that the customer table is the parent table and orders is the child table. So the foreign key of the customer ID from the orders table references to the customer of the customer ID. Say that I am creating two tables. So foreign key refers to establish relationship between two tables and it provides the possibilities to orders the items for the customer multiple times. Here I am creating two tables. So create table and customer. So customer, here we have syntax create table customer and customer ID. Customer ID integer data type. So when we refer the foreign keys, so the first table should customer ID should contain the primary key. And taking customer name, so take the VARCHAR data type, then close, select the query and execute it. So got 0 errors. So again I am creating one more table, orders. So here we have order ID and order date and customer ID. Order ID, integer data type, so primary key and order date data type, and we have to create the customer ID. So customer ID integer data type. So the foreign key of customer ID from orders table refers to the customers of customer ID. So foreign key of customer ID references to the customer of customer ID. So customer of customer ID. Then close. select the query and execute it. Got 0 errors. So we have created the two tables. Now here I am inserting the values into the customer. Insert into customer, customer ID and customer name. Then take the values. Customer ID I am taking 1 and customer name, so you can take any name. So again I am inserting two more values. And here I am taking and one more the record, then close. I have inserted three values. So let's retrieve the data. Select star from, give the table name customer. So here we have inserted three records into the customers table. So now I am inserting into the orders table. So orders table only refers to, orders table of customer ID only refers to existing values from the customer table. So insert into orders. I am taking order ID and order date and customer ID. Then take values. So order IDs I am taking 101 and order date you can take any date, 2022 01 and 02 I am taking. So here if you are taking customer ID 1, so it will accept, so it will execute. See that? So foreign key allows duplicate values. See that? Got 0 errors. So again if you are inserting 1, then it will see that duplicate entry 101 for primary key. So here I am taking 102 for order ID and customer ID again same. See that? Got 0 errors. So here I am taking 103 order ID. So primary key will not accept the duplicate values, but foreign key allows the duplicate values. See that? Here the customer ID 1 is in customers table. So we have three records in customer table. Suppose I am taking the fourth record. So I am taking the customer ID 4, but we have no ID 4 in customer table. So we don't have any record with 4 in customer table. Just select the data and execute. See that? Cannot, it will show cannot add or update child row. So when we take ID 3, so it will insert. See that? 0 errors. So just retrieve the data. Select star from orders. Just select the data and execute it. See that? Customer ID 1 and 3 accepted. So when we have inserting customer ID 4, so it will not accept. So the customer ID should exist into the table. So the foreign key refers only existing values. So here we can also drop the foreign keys. So just click the table. So refresh the object browser and go to the tables. So here we have foreign key in orders table. Then click on that. Then go to the information. See that the constraint name. So we need constraint name to drop the foreign keys. So here we have syntax to drop the foreign keys. So alter table name orders. So foreign key. So order table having foreign key. So I am dropping the foreign key by using the alter table. So alter command, alter table name, and drop foreign key. Give the constraint name. So here we have constraint name orders IBFK1. Just select that constraint name and then OK. So select and execute. So we have dropped the foreign key from the orders table. So now we have to check that. Just refresh the object browser and go to the database. So go to the orders table and check that information. So just refresh that. See that. So we have dropped the foreign keys. So this is all about creation of the foreign key. So it establishes the relationship between two tables, and it will accept the null values, and it refers only existing values. So we'll discuss remaining constraints in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.